Hi, and today I want to just give a quick tip about a tool that I've just discovered, and it is called Whiteboard. Now I'll type this out here on this whiteboard, because if I just pick up the text tool here, I can then go and type it up. So it is Whiteboard, WITBOARD.com, and this is a free tool that I've just discovered, which helps you to draw diagrams. Basically you can do circles, then you could just basically use the pencil tool to draw things, like, you know, if you wanted to map out something or show something, teach something. It's a brilliant tool. There's an eraser, you can undo the last action, and there's different colours that you can pick up, so you can use a different colour in your explainer video. Now there's something I did a little bit earlier as I was like testing this thing out. So I basically drew this and typed in. So basically look, this is sort of a funnel. So you've got your affiliate link, but if you drive traffic directly to an affiliate link, you're not actually building any list. What you're doing is you're giving away all of the traffic that you've actually either paid for or got organically. So what you need is a landing page here, which is enter an email address to find out about how you, whatever, in your affiliate link, lose weight, earn money, have a great relationship. And then basically you enter this email, then bam, that traffic goes into an autoresponder. Now that can be anything. That can be an autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse or a MailPoet. There's lots of different autoresponders out there. So then what you do is, because you've got an affiliate link, you've probably got some email basically that the vendor of the product has put together. So then you can build up your email campaign. What you do is just copy and paste into the autoresponder an email campaign with the affiliate link inside of the email. So you've got email 1, email 2, email 3, and these can go out on like every couple of days or every other day to actually promote or give more tips or information about the product or the niche that you were in. And that is basically how you would build up a campaign, build up an email list, collect emails, and obviously promote an affiliate offer and earn up to 50% commissions. Now there's lots of different places you can find these affiliate links. I myself use Warrior Plus, JVSU, and also ClickBank. There's another one which is called Digistore. So there is places where you can go and find these affiliate links. There's hundreds, if not thousands, of different products in there. Another way of doing this is that I drew another little diagram here, is you can have your landing page with enter an email, build up your list, and then a bridge page or a video explainer. So in the middle here, you've got yourself on a page that then talks about the product or the affiliate offer that you actually promoting. So a little tiny video that you can put onto that page, and then another link that leads them into the affiliate offer that you've just been explaining to them on the bridge page. So that is two different methods, folks, of sort of having a funnel to promote affiliate links on the web, in social media, on adverts, organic traffic, whatever. Wherever you find your traffic from, these two methods that you can use to promote affiliate link and start making money online. Hope you like this little explainer video. If you watched to the end, then tell me where you're from in the comments. Let me know where you're from. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, let me know. Thanks for watching.